Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Ramayana is itihas, means proven factual history presented in a beautiful poetic form, teaches us how to lead a dharmic life through a set of characters that teach us what to do and what not to do. Very clearly documented in the very beginning of Valmiki Ramayana. Valmiki is asking Narada, Kon Vasmin Sampratam Loke. Is there a person with these 16 great noble qualities living currently? Narada replies, Bhavo Durlabhas Chaiva Etvaya Kirtita Gunaha. Very rare and difficult. But Ikshvaku Vamsha Prabhavo Ramo Nama Janeshhrutaha. In Ikshvaku dynasty, Rama is there. So very clearly documented. Namo Namaha.